So before we go to the next section, I'd like to tell you an interesting story. This story is about a small boy, maybe about 8 years old. So this boy was very talkative, and his maths teacher was totally fed up of him. So he found an innovative way of punishing him. So he called him one day and said, okay, you go out of the class and don't come in till you have found the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 100. So he was supposed to basically find the sum of this series of numbers. So the boy went out and came back in just a few minutes and gave the right answer. How did he do it? Well, we'll get into that. But before I get into that, I'd like to remind you that the boy who could do this was a genius called Gauss. And at the age of 8, round about 8, he actually did this. Just look at the method. So what the boy did was, he wrote S as 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. S representing the sum of the series. He thought very carefully and he hit upon a pattern. He just wrote S once more, but this time he wrote it in the reverse order. 100 plus 99 plus 98 and so on till 1. And the pattern which he saw now will seem very obvious. 100 plus 1 becomes 101. 3 plus 98 becomes 101. 2 plus 99 becomes 101. 1 plus 100 also becomes 101. So he saw that all these will add up to the same number, 101. And since there are 100 numbers here and 100 numbers here, so all these answers are also 100 in number. So he wrote 2 times S has to be 100 times 101. And therefore S has to be half of this sum. So 100 times 101 by 2, which comes down to be 50 into 101. And that is 5050. This method of addition is also called the Gauss's method. And we are going to use this method to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Let us look at the derivation. Now, just like Gauss, we are going to call the sum of the series as S. The first term we know is A. Second term is A plus D. I'm giving a lot of space because we have to have the last term under it. The next term, A plus 2D, and so on till we get to the last term, which is A plus n minus 1 times D. Now, let's write it in the reverse order. A plus n minus 1 times D plus A plus. Now, if last term was n minus 1 times D, the second last term will be n minus 2 times D. Remember, if suppose the 100th term is A plus 99D. Now, what will be the 99th term? A plus 98D. Same way, if here the last term is A plus n minus 1D, the previous term has to be A plus n minus 2D. The next term is again A plus n minus 3D, and so on till the first term is A. Now summate the two series. Of course, we are going to find 2 times the sum required. These two will add up to 2A plus n minus 1D. These two to 2A plus n minus 1D. Add these two and you will see that this also adds up to 2A plus n minus 1D. Just for convenience, I'll add these two and show you. Okay, so the second term is A plus D, and the second last term is A plus n minus 2D. Let's open the brackets. D times n is nd. D times minus 2 is minus 2d. A plus A is 2A. D and minus 2d will give you minus d. And you have got nd remaining here. Now, we can write this as 2A plus nd minus d. Now, I'll take d common from these two terms. So, it will become n minus 1 times d. See here, 2A plus n minus 1 times d. You can similarly check the third term and so on. So, it will be very clear that this pattern repeats. Now, how many numbers were there in the series? N numbers. How many numbers when you reverse? N numbers. So, when you add them, you will get n such terms. each term being 2a plus n minus 1d. So you just have to write that now. So 2 times the sum of the series is n times 2a plus n minus 1d. So what is the sum? Half of it. That is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. There is another way to write this, and that is n by 2 times a plus a and n minus 1d. Why would we want to do this? Because this happens to be the last term. So the sum can reduce to n by 2 times a plus l. So this is a useful pattern to remember. The main formula, however, is written as Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d, where Sn stands for sum of n terms. Let us add this to our concept sheet. Sn is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 d, or n by 2 times a plus